The hundreds of passengers on MV Hondias began flying back to their countries on government planes yesterday after spending days on the ship amid a deadly hantavirus outbreak.
One American has tested positive for the illness, and health officials are tracking the situation. 18 Americans were on a chartered flight that initially landed in Omaha, Nebraska, where 16 of those were taken to the University of Nebraska Medical Center to be evaluated and observed. 2 of them arrived at Emory University's Serious Communicable Disease Unit today in Atlanta.
And the World Health Organization says 3 of the cruise ship passengers have died, and at least 6 people with either confirmed or suspected hantavirus cases have quarantined. The hantavirus is quite rare. Now, according to CDC data from 1993 to 2023, Alabama was one of 8 states where there has never been a case of hantavirus reported.
In total, from 1993 to 2023, 890 cases of the disease were reported in the U.S., with states in the Southwest reporting the most hantavirus cases. And we have team coverage for you at this hour.
Our Washington correspondent Amy Lou is monitoring what health officials are doing with the Americans who were exposed to the virus on that cruise ship. But first, let's get to WVTM 13's Bryce Oselin, who spoke with local doctors about what you need to know.
At this time, there aren't any cases of hantavirus in the state of Alabama, but local health experts are encouraging people to be mindful.
We've just not been exposed, which is a good thing.
The Alabama Department of Health in Jefferson County reporting 0 cases of the virus. Pharmacist Becky Sorrell says staying clean can prevent the spread of any illness.
When you travel, use those safe hygiene practices. Get good sleep, nutrition, things that keep your body healthy.
UAB Doctor of Medicine Rachel Lee says the virus spreads through rodents, and people should do their best to stay away from them when traveling.
If you're traveling this summer and you're going to do some extreme adventure or things that could potentially expose you to rodents, then that's when you would start making sure that you protect yourself.
Sorrell says travel if you must, but staying aware is the first step in protecting yourself.
We're a moving world now. We all travel. We travel to greater places than we've ever traveled before, so just be conscious.
In Birmingham, Bryce Oselin, WVTM 13.
Officials have assured steps are being taken to stop the virus from spreading to the general public.